My name's Mark Jones, and I own a mobile valeting service in Runcorn. Quickshine Valeting involves me going around customers' houses or places of work, cleaning the cars, doing all different types of valeting, from like just a wash right up to a full valet. My business has only been up and running for about, I'd say about 8-9 months now, but the company's doing really well at the moment, and it gives me pleasure in like doing the cars and seeing what I've achieved at the end and seeing the customer happy. I left school when I was 16, and I got a few GCSEs, nothing special or nothing like that. But then as soon as I left school, I went straight into work, signed on the agencies, just to fund myself really. I've done all kinds of jobs, order picking, labouring, warehouse, forklift truck, basically anything that really the agency offered me really. When I was about 18, I left home, and then I got a house, me and a few of my friends, and that's when like I met me missus, or my girlfriend doing with. I met her and then she got pregnant, so I thought then, you know, I needed to book my ideas up really, so that's what really inspired me to do something, was my kids like. Got a full-time job doing valeting. I realised I weren't earning enough money to live really, so basically my brother-in-law got me a job working at a plumbing and heating merchant, doing driving for them, which was steady work and steady money. Unfortunately, a few years down the line that went into liquidation. Found out about the Prince's Trust, sent them an email saying what my business plan was to hopefully work for myself doing mobile valeting, and then everything escalated from there really. Now I've started my business, I get a mentor, I go and see her every month, and we discuss basically anything about the business. She's been very, very helpful, like, and that's all down to the Prince's Trust. Even after they fund you, they still, you know, help you. A few years ago, I got sent to prison. Like, I'd done 8 months in prison. It had a big impact on myself, also on my family. I missed my daughter being born when I was there, so you know it was, you know, really heartbreaking when that happened. And basically, I just thought to myself, it's, you know, not something that I'd like to go back to. You know, I just want to do something now in my life that will, you know, change my life forever. And basically, the Prince's Trust has done that by setting me up and helping me do my own business. My mum like actually works for YMCA in Halton, and again like that's, you know, looking after people. And it was only this morning that she was saying to me that she was proud of me, obviously because I was coming here today to you know, do this and, you know, let people know like that there is people out there who want to help you. I'm an ambassador for the Prince's Trust, basically just getting involved now, you know, seeing other people, hopefully giving some good information on what not to do and what to do in their lives, and hopefully not to go to prison. In 5 years' time, I see myself hopefully having, you know, a big successful business with other people working for me. Maybe years down the line, I can get my son when he's older to either take over the business or come and work with me. That's what keeps me going really, knowing that, you know, he's proud of me doing it, so it's good.